this came out there's the engine of the tail blade. It says tail blade on the side there. So yeah, I got the yellow cross here, and there's a long orange piece on the bottom there. It's actually, so you can see it. And there's basically a spoiler right there where the engines are right there. So yeah, not much to say about this boat. It's just pretty long. So moving on to the last boat in the pros is the Banshee. It's not the best looking boat ever. I didn't have any purple beast, so I just use this. Yeah, sort of like the Thresher, making it like that. Actually reminds me of the Thresher a little bit. I put the green there like it is a normal thing. These would all be purple stuff. I don't know why I put those lines there with the marker. I gotta freak my sister. God, she's so annoying. So yeah, I got this. I don't want to say a lot about this boat. It's these boats break a lot. It's all like, I can't really say anything about this. It's just like, that's, yeah. Sometimes it's annoying when I'm driving these, because, see, that's what happens. They'll break. So, yeah. Jeez, how do I put it back together again? Oh, yeah. Wait, so, okay, so that's really all there is for this boat. It's like, the green, I put lines there, I'm not sure why again. The back is my favorite part. So yeah. Yeah, and they got those long pieces on the side. I like all the lines and stuff. There's all the dots there. So that's all for this boat. Before we move on to the expert boats, I'm just saying that well, one, this is the longest video I've probably ever made. And also that I'm gonna make series like best boats, top 5 best. Yeah. So in my opinion, to use and stuff. But I'm just gonna do fun races and stuff, everything basically in Hydro Thunder right now. So yeah. So I'm gonna move on to the expert boats now. So, the first expert boat, the Cutthroat, it says it right there. On the side of it, it's just like green, white, blue, the normal green, white, blue, and like just the normal colors of the Cutthroat. And for like the sides, I put that. And that, I just put it basically a pattern. It's the same. For 1 minute, so wait. Okay guys, I'm back again. I just need to finish up this video pretty quick. So I'm just gonna keep moving on through the boats. Now moving on, second, pretty much the fastest boat in the world, the Razorback. With its top speed, it's the fastest. The back is my favorite part. I like the yellow things there, like you turn these, like I'm not sure what they're called. Like here, you got these things for like the boost, and you can jump and stuff. But the rad part. These on the bottom are supposed to be rad, but like, I have so many Legos. But see, look at my Legos. Yeah, so move it. Okay. Yeah, this got darker actually. Okay, so moving on to the next part. Actually, I smashed the wrong thing and put the lines there. Like, I'm not sure they like putting things, but moving on. We have four more things to do with them. We got the racer gun. No, Rad Hat. Sorry, I get mixed up with those. But there's the bottom of it. The way it looks from the bottom. The best part about this is probably this and there for me. I just like the way this boat really looks. In the game, it's actually really good, but the handling sucks on it. So, I'll be showing you like stats on it and stuff. So yeah, this is that. So, now moving on. Oh, that's pretty funny. The rubber ducky. It actually says on the side there too, the tail. Nothing really to say about this, but like this thing, if the hill is falling from the time, but it's there's I'm not sure if I actually. Oh yeah, and I put the name for the Rad Hazard there. So yeah, the last two boats. So